Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Apple gift card on Clash Royale. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use your gift card for any of your purchases on Clash Royale or in-app purchases, so simply you can do so by using your App Store. So open up your App Store. Once you get to your App Store here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on your profile on your top right, click on your profile, and then you got this option here, redeem gift card. So simply redeem your gift card so that you can transfer the balance on your gift card to your Apple ID, so you can share the balance to your Apple ID. So you can either now use your camera, take a photo of your gift card, or you can manually enter the gift card details and then hit on redeem. So the balance will now be added to your Apple ID. So once it's added to your Apple ID, then you can, as usual, use it to how you normally purchase your in-app purchases through App Store. You can just open up your Clash Royale and then make any purchases or in-app purchases through your App Store. So money will be deducted from your Apple ID, and which was added through your Apple gift card. So that's how you can actually use Apple gift card on Clash Royale, as there's no direct way to do it. So we need to use only through the App Store, redeem it through the App Store. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.